Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing fast. Open Looker Studio and sign in with the Google account that has access. Once done, choose the connector that matches your dataset: BigQuery, Sheets, CSV upload, or a third-party API. Make sure to gather credentials now: project ID, service account JSON, API key, or share settings for Sheets. Do this early to avoid interruptions. Then click Add Data and select your connector. This is the first actionable step that moves you from planning to connecting. You now configure the connection details precisely. Start by mapping fields. Select which columns become dimensions and which become metrics, and verify data types. Once done, apply filters to exclude test rows and set sampling or row limits to speed initial loads. Make sure to set the data freshness: live connection for real-time or hourly/daily for batch. Test with a sample load to confirm accuracy. If transformations are needed, add calculated fields or use SQL in the connector before proceeding. You finish by building visualizations. Add charts, tables, and set default date ranges. Use calculated fields to shape metrics. Once done, organize pages and publish with appropriate viewer permissions. Make sure to schedule refreshes and monitor quota usage. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip: recheck connector credentials and permissions first, then inspect API quota or dataset schema mismatches. If fields show nulls, verify data types and sample rows. Resolving those usually restores accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.